Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the white line video transition in under a minute. Well, more like apply it to your video, sorry. So get your video and you're going to split it where you want the video transition to be. So on the first video, I'm actually going to make it kind of low quality by making it smaller, right clicking, create compound clip, and I'm just going to scale it up. Like so. Okay, don't think I scaled it smaller small enough. Hold on. Maybe like the small. And then I can scale it, and as you can see, the quality is like okay. I do have to whoops. Scale it up a bit. And I can also add in like a black and white filter as well to it. Whoops. Okay. It is optional though. And you're just going to simply go to video transitions and select this comparison transition. It is a CapCut Pro feature. I'm just going to tell you that right now. And you're just going to add it, and you can even adjust the duration so you don't have to I guess do it yourself. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.